In this video, you are going to see how to circle around a text in Google Docs, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Drawing and click on New. Now here you will see an option Shape. Go to Shapes and click on Oval Shape. Hold down the Shift key and drag it over here to make the proper circle. Now double click on it to write inside the circle. Let me write here text. Now select the text. You can make it bold. If you want, you can change the font color and you can increase the font size. If you want to remove the shape color, click on it, go to over here fill color and you can click on transparent. Now click on save and close. Then the shape will be inserted, but I can't move it. To move it properly, click on over here, go to image option and click on text wrapping and click on in front of text. Now I can move it and I can keep it anywhere in my Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.